everybody, Mr. B here. Welcome to the Loft. So I was having my coffee this morning, scrolling through YouTube, as you do, and I came across this recipe for a stuffed mushroom casserole. You know the stuffed mushrooms, it's got the cream cheese filling and the panko breadcrumb seasoned with some cheese, and it's absolutely freaking amazing. Yeah, but it's a casserole. So I thought, hell yeah. So that's what we're going to do today. Come along for the ride. I have started softening up some onions here. Guys, this recipe will be linked in the description over to my website, so do check it out. And I'll have all of the, the measurements and the interesting stuff that pertains to that over there. Now I'm going to be using about recipe called for 1.5 pounds of mushrooms. I knew this skillet was not going to be big enough, so let's just head this off the path real quick. Cooking live, cooking live. That's more like it. There we go. Now I'm sauteing the onions in some olive oil, of course. And now that we've added these shrooms, I may take the opportunity to throw just a little bit more of this in here. Now, what's going to happen here is that these mushrooms are going to start releasing some liquid. You're going to want to cook that all the way out and take your time with that, because it's going to take about 10-15 minutes, depending, probably a little bit longer because I had to change my skillet out. But you know what, guys, it's just the way the damn world spins, baby. About 5 or 6 minutes in, and you can see that the mushrooms are starting to release their moisture, their water. You have got to let this cook off to evaporate, okay? Just take your time and let it happen. And by the way, if you do not have one of these 4-inch deep non-sticks, you need to get you one. I always tend to underthink the capacity that I need when I'm doing stuff like this, and this is absolutely amazing. This is a Cuisinart, and very reasonably priced, easy to take care of. I will leave an affiliate link down in the description if you want to go check one of these out. After another 5 minutes or so, you can really see the difference, right? How that moisture is evaporated out of the pan. I'm actually thinking I'm going to let it go maybe another, I'm going to see how another 5 minutes will treat this. Be nice to get the mushrooms kind of browned up, I think. Now we're going to start seasoning this stuff up here. Now, as I always do, I'm kind of judging this recipe, making some changes, which I encourage everyone to do, based on my mood. So we're going to go in with some garlic, which the recipe does call for. That's about 3 or 4 cloves minced. So let that open up just a little bit. And I'm going to add in some thyme and rosemary because I want to enhance this earthy flavor that we've got going on here with the mushrooms. I'm also now going to add some garlic butter seasoning. This will pair nicely with the real garlic that's in there. We're going to do some good pinch of some black pepper, good pinch of some salt. Give this a whirl. Man, the aroma's coming off of this are absolutely amazing. I'm going to pull my heat down, and to this I'm going to add 1 block of cream cheese. And take the opportunity to do this. And we're just going to get these mushrooms covered in this cream cheese. I think I'm going to fish out my rosemary and thyme. Thank you for coming to the party. And to complement that, keep that from burning, I will add some dried thyme. Thyme and mushrooms are like peas and carrots. I think this is ready to get into our dish. I have an 8x8 here, which I have sprayed, and we are just going to get the mushroom mixture into that. Spread that around. And let's make a topping, kids. Well, before we make a topping, we are going to add some shredded mozzarella onto this. Maybe a cup, cup and a half. You know, don't get too picky about how much cheese, if you ask me. Listen to your spirit. Now I think that's sufficient. Now we will make our topping. Now we're going to make a panko topping here. Now I have nuked carefully in about 20-second bursts about a half a stick of butter. And to that we're going to add about a cup or so of some panko and I don't know, half a cup or whatever the spirit gives you of some Parmesan cheese. And then let's just get that going. And we are going to top the casserole with the buttery Parmesan-y panko. Frankly, I'm, thinking like, why not let's make this a thing, As far as the panko, why is it gotta be just a topping? It can be a co-star of the show. Now, because I think that it needs it, I'm gonna add some green onion to the top of this. It's gonna give it some color. But I think that it's going to also help give it a fresh kind of bite to a lot of that earthiness. Okay, I know, Porky, I know. Cooking is so scary. And maybe just a little bit of some parsley-ish to get that going. And we're gonna throw it into a 375 degree oven, middle rack. Bake till bubbly. Should take us about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. Okay, this actually went about 35 minutes. There goes my timer. And there you have it. Now, with any type of casserole, you're gonna want to let this kind of chill out for about 5-10 minutes, 15 minutes, kind of rest a little bit before you cut into it. I'm going to hopefully wait that long. If you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and come along for the ride. And yeah, we're going to give that a taste here. Let's see how we did here on this. stuffed mushroom casserole. Holy shit. Okay. You know the stuffed mushrooms you get at the steakhouse for an appetizer? Well, it's that, but in casserole form. It's earthy, it's cheesy, it's buttery. Got garlic coming through on this, which always makes me happy, for sure. You know what? If you throw a rotisserie chicken up in this, probably turn it into about a 13 by 9 casserole. That would be damn good. You can get a full meal, you know, complete meal out of it. What an amazing side dish. Who knew? You know, not bad for a casserole recipe that just fell out of the sky this morning. I'll tell you that. In any case, I'm going to get to this. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Click the like button. Come along for the ride. We're going to see y'all next time, kids. Cheers. Y'all, that is $5 million right there. I mean it.